Let's look at the 5 factors you need to know about temperature, concentration, pressure, particle size and catalysts. Can you remember all that? No pressure. A higher temperature means particles are moving quicker, and so more particles have the activation energy necessary for a chemical reaction. Much like Formula 1 cars, the particles collide more often and with more energy, so the rate of reaction increases. Now then, the next factor is concentration. If one of the reactant chemicals is in solution, then the reaction rate will go up if its concentration is increased. There'll be more of the chemical in a smaller volume, so collisions are likely to take place more often. Or in this case, I simply get a sugar rush. Next on the list is particle size. If a solid reactant is broken into pieces, there's more surface area, so more particles are exposed to the other reactants. As a result, there's a greater chance of a collision, so the rate of reaction increases. Even better is grinding them up into a powder. That really speeds things up.
Double espresso, please.
The last factor you need to know about is less obvious. You can use a catalyst. A catalyst is a chemical that speeds up a reaction without being used up in the reaction. Catalysts do this by reducing the activation energy needed for a reaction to take place. Different reactions require different catalysts. For example, the reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen to make ammonia can be speeded up by having some iron in the mix. The iron is a catalyst. It helps. It speeds up the reaction, but isn't changing the process. It doesn't get used up either. It gets things moving, but doesn't take part. The chemical equivalent of a cheerleader.